The phylotastic project, launched at a recent NESN hackathon, aims to develop software, standards, and strategies to provide computable, convenient, and credible access to the tree of life. You can learn more about it at this website. What I'd like to do in this screencast today is to show you a prototype tool that represents an important component of a phylotastic system. And what this tool does, or the web form for it does, is to allow you to enter a list of species in a text box here, choose a source tree, an output format, and then click Go to get a tree. And there's a number of examples here that are spelled out already. I'm going to choose this one right here. And we're pulling this out of the mammals tree, Newick format. When we click Go, what this does is to invoke a prototype pruner developed by Rutger Voss, and what it will do for us is to return from this mammal source tree the subtree for the 4 species that we listed. Now, the nice thing about this is that the attractive website is just a front end to a web service that you can invoke in lots of different ways. So we can invoke this on the command line with this program called curl, and when we press return here, what it does is go to that same website, and it passes a list of species and the name of a tree. It runs for a few seconds, and we get our output tree shown right here. Now, this also means that we can write a script. So what I'm going to do just briefly here is to write a simple Perl script. Here we have a skeleton of one, and it culminates in running a system command, which will be just that curl command that I just pasted in here. We'll need to escape that quotation mark and that quotation mark, and we will write out the tree and open it as well right away. And just to abstract this a little bit, I'll take this URL base out of here and put it up here. And we'll get the name of the tree and a list of species on the command line. So I'll take this out here. Oops. And get the tree name as well. Put that here. So now we have a script that gets information from the command line, forms that into a URL, which is then executed by curl. And if we want to allow the user to use a plain text input, we need to just do a little bit of reformatting on that. And so there we have it. So what we have here is a script, and I can specify a source tree, and then I can start typing in a list of names here. We'll just pick some easy ones: human, mouse, gorilla, and press return. And what that will do is execute through our Perl script the same command that we executed before, put it in an output file, and then open it up in a tree viewer. And so here's our new tree in a tree viewer. And what we've done here is to take advantage of the fact that the pruner I showed you is an online web service that can be invoked directly by scripts and other programs to see how an existing program can be modified to use phylotastic services. Check out this screencast called Mosquitotastic on the website here.